a good boy. He's a good boy. Hi. Hello.
The timing was perfect to head out and do some recycling and refilling our drinking water as we got stuck, and I say stuck in air quotes, in this lifting bridge. I could sit in front of a lifting bridge all day, every day. I don't know what it is, but I absolutely love just sitting there and watching it unfold. So sit here with me and relax while we watch this wondrous piece of the world happen. Or, of course, you could just fast forward.
They overflow.
So I've been feeling anxious the last few days, and I notice that when I feel this way, if I have something to refer to, like something just to focus on, like fresh in my mind, it doesn't always help, but it does sometimes. So I always attempt, and I usually save things to my phone that I find just throughout the times on like different social media sites that kind of resonates. So I hold on to it so that I can refer to it in times like this. So I was just searching through my phone, trying to find something that could ease my mind a little today. And I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna take these words today and keep them in my mind and try to focus on them instead of focusing on how I'm feeling internally. So this one says, I pray you always keep hope in your heart, love what you have, need what you want, accept what you receive, give what you can, be grateful for what you have, focus on what's in front of you, and look forward to what God gives you next. Miracles happen every day. We were visited by the donut fairy. I am not said donut fairy. Can you guess which one of these donuts are my favorite? Tomorrow is a work day. It's time for me to work on some overnight oats. I will have the exact recipe for these overnight oats linked at my end screen. It's already supper time, and there is no better way to eat a dog than on the fire and by a fire. A perfect meal to have on the patio.
Where is the pizza?
Where is it?
Just give him a margarita again.
Sit. Good boy.